You're going to see that your dough is smooth and bouncy.
Our Bake for Good program is our outreach program for kids in grades 4 through 12, and we have some basic goals. We want them to learn, bake, and share.
Fold it towards you so that you can push it away.
So for many kids, this will be their first baking experience. We want them to learn just some foundational baking skills, and we're going to apply that to the math and science that goes into bread baking.
Now, a recipe is not just the ingredients, but it's all the steps that tell you what to do with those ingredients.
The fact that King Arthur brings in all of the supplies for our students, I think is amazing. So they not only can learn it, but they can take home and practice it.
They're going to make something where they're going to enjoy with their family, half of the dough. The other half, they're going to make something and share as an act of kindness. So that means we want them to think about a neighbor or someone in their community who maybe that person is going through a hard time.
We're a service learning school here, and so the idea that they can take this skill and use it to not only find a passion and enjoy baking, but also share it with others, and so that they really can reach out to their community members as an act of service is a really great thing that we like to encourage.